British military jet used in the Red Arrows aerobatic display team crashed on Tuesday at a base in Wales. The Ministry of Defence officials declined to give more details, but it was understood 2 people were on board when it crashed at the Valley Royal Air Force Base. British authorities say that they are investigating the incident and would comment in due time, while the police has confirmed their visit to the crime scene. The Red Arrows jets, flown by experienced military pilots, are known around the world for their daring stunts.